If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see,
pangakong iniwan sa iyo
to
kaibigan
guide you,
ko.
find out what we're made of.
Ate, happy birthday on your 39th birthday. Ay, 19 pala, 19. Ay, sa mali. 29 birthday. Happy birthday. Punta ka na dito. Naghihintay na to sa'yo. Pangako. Nandito kami para sa'yo. GDP. I love you, ate, mama. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mami Ren. Happy birthday to you. Ayun, happy birthday. Thank you sa friendship. Thank you sa pagiging nice lagi. Thank you. Pag minsan tahimik ako, alam mo naman, pag ganun na ako, may dinaramdam na ako, yan, lalapit ka sa akin, bibigyan mo ako ng hug, kakamustahin mo ako if I'm okay. Ayun, thank you sa lahat-lahat. I love you so much. Ayun, sana huwag ka magbago. Tsaka, lumagal yung friendship natin. I love you.
And I know when I need it, I can count on you.
Happy birthday, Mami Ren.
'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.